to celebrate this spectacular event in the life of our newlywed. And by the way, I am your host, Daniela Bukongonias of Danvans. Ang isang masigawang palakpakan naman dyan! Amang kabugera, amang kabugera, amang kabugera.
I don't like it.
Lara ka ng beauty queen, kanda ko will make you skip roar. Kanda ko naglilig, lalo kang mapapatigil. Di ko na kailangan magpatala, dahil di ko palang panalo na. Di ko na kailangan sa at siya na kanya'y bandera. Di ko kailangan sumabay pa sa uso. Ako'y magiging ako na aking ginusto. So earlier we are done with the southern part of our celebration held there at the church nato sa San Narciso Parish Church. Now at this point, ladies and gentlemen, in behalf of the family, I'd like to say thank you so much for coming in. I know some of you have took your absence from work or from school or even traveled amounts just to be with us this afternoon. Daghan kayo. Salamat. And by the way, I am malipot sa pag-gamit itong hashtag karon. Hashtag Florencio Road to Castilla Forever. Yan ha? Dapat everyone. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we will have now the parade of intervention.